He might have thought it was a booty call. Instead, a Bergen County man ended up with a butt whipping. Our Deborah Alfarone has a story.
Cops say a Wyckoff, New Jersey woman lured her ex-boyfriend to this parking lot at this elementary school Thursday night, saying she wanted to go for a walk. Instead, he was ambushed and beaten up. You may wonder why, but you'll probably also be wondering, why did she take a picture like this?
She looks like she's in a photo shoot instead of a mugshot.
You try writing a line that sums up the sheer inconsistency of this smiling 19-year-old former cheerleader and the crime she's charged with cheering on, a pipe and bat-swinging beatdown on a former boyfriend. Cops say 19-year-old Margot Tachi of Wyckoff, New Jersey, lured her ex to this school, and that's when a group of men, including her new boyfriend, beat him, robbed him, and hopped back in Tachi's car and took off. Hours later, cops arrested Tachi, and this memorable mugshot was snapped.
Through our investigation, we were able to apprehend another individual who ended up being her boyfriend.
That's 20-year-old boyfriend Daniel Chopez. Police also arrested a third man
who was overheard kind of bragging about what he did later in the day by an off-duty police officer from another jurisdiction.
The crime unthinkable, but it's the mugshot that may be most perplexing. It even inspired a Facebook page that asks, "Why is this blank smiling?"
That's really weird, like she's proud of herself.
What did you think?
I thought it was interesting.
It was interesting. I think it's from somebody that doesn't realize the ramifications of what she did or is accused of.
We went to Tachi's Wyckoff home. No one answered. We called. Nothing. To get perspective on this possible love triangle, we even tried to talk to the victim, Tachi's 19-year-old ex-boyfriend.
Stop filming.
With no answers from anyone on the inside, looks like this picture will have to be worth 1,000 words for now, with at least one being, what?
Maybe when she talks to the judge, she won't smile like that.
Police say they hope to make a fourth arrest soon. In Wyckoff, New Jersey, Deborah Alfarone, Pix 11 News.